Careful. Give her the other end. Ready? Ready, go. Good job, girls. Very good job, girls. What is that? What is it? Tell me what it is. Jump rope? Is it jump rope? You show me how you jump. Mira, show me how you jump. Show me how you jump. Oh, we have that here too.
You bought it?
No, Tessa did, but she left it here.
Oh, I rented it.
Oh, did ya?
RMPs.
Are you guys done jump roping? I wanted to get that on video. That was so cute.
Abby, come out here.
Abby, come out here. Come out here and play.
Miranda wants to put out video.
You want to stay out here and play with us, Emmy?
Jump roping.
You want to jump rope?
Wet one. Wet one, Mira. Wet one.
Are you guys all done? Whoa!
Yes.
That show.
Yeah, the other, what was it earlier this week when it was cooled down? It